Hi everybody, my name is Sandy Reed and I work at the Wadsworth Public Library. Today I want to welcome you back into my kitchen to share another recipe with you. If you're like me, you may be eating your way through this stay-at-home period. Whether it's boredom or anxiety or some other reason, there's just something about being home all day with a well-stocked fridge, well-stocked pantry that makes it too hard to resist. So the recipe I have to share with you is for a healthy chocolate muffin. Believe it or not, there is no flour and no sugar in this recipe. It contains all healthy ingredients. You do not need to feel guilty when you grab this muffin for your next snack. Now I'm going to start by showing you all the ingredients and the measurements that will go into this recipe. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and you can grease a muffin tin. I just, rub it with butter. You can use cooking spray, whatever you like to do for that. You're going to need a half a cup of natural peanut butter. This is Smucker's brand. It contains only peanuts, no added sugar. So you're going to want to look for that. And you can also use almond butter if you prefer, but I like the peanut butter flavor. You're going to need one medium ripe banana, and you're going to want to mash that up. These, obviously, I've got more than one, so I wanted to give a little tip for you that if you have some extra ripe bananas sitting on your counter, you can peel them, wrap them up, and freeze them, and then you'll be ready to pull those out next time you want to make this recipe. You're going to want to use one egg, a quarter cup of honey, that's where the sweetness comes from, a quarter cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. This is not hard to find. They have it at Aldi. I got this at Walmart. This is a pretty big bag, so I store it in my fridge to keep it fresh. But you need 2 tablespoons of that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, half teaspoon of baking soda. Now these first ingredients that I've named can all be mixed together. The last 2 you're going to want to stir in at the very end. You need 1 cup of shredded zucchini. I like to peel my zucchini and I shred it with the cheese grater. You want to squeeze out as much of the moisture there as you can and then measure out 1 cup. And then finally, a quarter cup of chocolate chips. Now I normally like to buy the Ghirardelli 60% cacao chocolate chips, but I couldn't find those yesterday. I feel like those make it a little healthier. I couldn't find them though, so I just got the semi-sweet. So you need a quarter cup of those, plus a few extras if you want to sprinkle them on top. So those are the ingredients. I'm going to mix them up now. Now I like to use my Ninja blender. I can just throw the banana chunks in there, and I don't have to worry about if they're mashed up enough, but you can certainly stir this by hand. You can use your KitchenAid. Whatever method you have will work. Just make sure you mash the banana up well. So the first thing is going to be to mix those ingredients except the zucchini and the chocolate chips. Okay, so I added those first ingredients to my mixer, or my blender. I just want to show you, it got it really nice and smooth and well mixed up. I don't see any banana chunks in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and gently stir in the zucchini and the chocolate chips. So we're going to just mix that well, just by hand. And let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so you can kind of see the zucchini in there, and that's fine. All right, next step is to fill the muffin tin. Okay, I went ahead and filled my muffin tin. This recipe makes approximately 9 muffins. So as you can see, I filled the tin and I sprinkled some extra chocolate chips on top. The next step is to just put them in your 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. You want to keep an eye on them at the end, check them to see if they're set, and do the toothpick test to see if that comes out clean. Okay, so I'm back to show you the finished product. After the muffins were done baking, I let them cool in the pan for a little bit, and here's what they look like. I cut into this one so you could see the inside. Lots of fudgy goodness in there. And hard to believe there's no flour. Everything in this muffin is healthy and natural, and hopefully if you try it, you'll enjoy it, and it will provide a good snack alternative for you while you spend this extra time at home. I want you to know our phone number is 330-334-5761. If you have any questions for the library, you can give a call. I hope you're staying safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you back at the library again soon.